Welcome to another demo of our AI-enabled no-code, low-code platform Flip. Today, we will show you how to migrate reports from SAP Crystal Report to Microsoft Power BI. Let's walk you through how you can migrate reports from SAP Crystal Report to Microsoft Power BI. Here in Crystal Reports, as you navigate to the Database Expert, you can see the database connection. Next, you'll find a table created from an SQL query, along with the tables used in that query. Clicking on links reveals the dataset and shows how the tables are connected within the database. Once you've reviewed the setup, click OK to confirm. Finally, save the report, and that's it. Once the file is saved in File Explorer, you're ready to begin the migration. Now let's move to Flip, Kanerika's intuitive data integration tool. Once you run the application, a Power BI file is generated. Next, navigate to the migration pipeline and select Crystal Reports to Power BI. Rename the pipeline and choose the Crystal Report file. Finally, save the pipeline and hit Submit. As soon as you do, a confirmation message appears. Once the migration is complete, open the Power BI file. As the Power BI desktop file opens, you'll notice warnings related to the data source refresh. Click Refresh Now, and Power BI will start evaluating the connection with the SQL database. After that, a window pops up prompting you to enter the data source credentials. After entering the credentials, hit Connect. Next, a native database query window appears. This is the same SQL query from Crystal Reports. Click Run to proceed. As soon as you hit Run, Power BI starts loading the data from the SQL server. Once the load is complete, navigate to the Table view to check the data. Then switch to the Model view, where you'll see the exact dataset, the same one that was available in Crystal Reports, with the same tables and links.
Sign up for a free demo at www.kanerika.com/meet.